Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dima Tutorials. Dima Tutorials, as you already know, is an educational channel here on YouTube, on Facebook, and on TikTok. In today's video, I want to look at oral English. Okay, we're looking at oral English, and I'm going to look at the sound Okay, now before I go ahead, for the past 2 months, I've been uploading videos for postgraduate candidates, and today I want to start uploading videos for JAMB 2025 candidates. Okay, JAMB 2025 candidate and WASSCE private candidates. Okay, I'll be uploading videos for WASSCE and JAMB candidates going forward. Okay, now if you've not started your Positani and you still want lessons on Positani, please visit my second YouTube channel, Dima Tutorials Online School. Okay, in Dima Tutorials Online School, I have lots of videos for you guys there too. Okay, on this channel I have use of English, lots of videos on use of English. On Dima Tutorials Online School, I have videos on literature, I have videos on government, I have videos on biology, etc. Okay, I have teachers that I've employed to bring videos on the other subjects. Okay, Dima Tutorials Online School is a school of its own, is a holistic school that is providing lessons on every subject. Okay, so I need you to please subscribe to the channel, click on the link that will be leaving at the description box and at the comment section to visit the channel and subscribe to it. Okay, so today, like I said, you're going to be looking at this sound because it's not the regular sounds that questions are being asked on or use of English, JAMB use of English, and in WASSCE oral English test. Okay, so it's important for us to understand how to identify this sound okay. Now we are going to be taking our lessons from my book Oral English Guide for Senior Secondary Certificate Examinations. Okay, so if you don't already have a copy of the book, I encourage you to use the link that I'll be leaving at the description box and in the comment section to get a copy of it from seller. Okay, get a copy of it from seller. The price is just 1,000 naira. Okay, I made the price very minimal so you can afford it. I know you're a student and you are dependent. Okay, so use the link that I'll be leaving at the description box and add the comment section to get the book. The amount is just 1,000 naira. Okay, so now let's look at the sound okay. First, this sound is found where you have you between two consonants, okay, that Nigerians, especially Nigerians, pronounce as okay. You between two consonants that Nigerians pronounce as Now, ordinarily, how would a Nigerian pronounce HUT? A Nigerian will say hot. How would a Nigerian pronounce CUT? A Nigerian will say cot, okay? Now, how would a Nigerian pronounce HUNGRY? A Nigerian will say hungry, right? But that's not the right way of pronouncing it. CUT is pronounced cut. HUT is pronounced hot. HUNGRY is pronounced hungry, okay? So the U in all these words are pronounced they have this sound okay? They have this sound but this does not mean that wherever you have U between two consonants, that the U must be pronounced For example, the word BULL is pronounced boo. The word PUT is pronounced put. The word PULL is pronounced pool, okay? Now, when you have U between two consonants, like Nigerians pronounce as okay? It's pronounced but the ones that we Nigerians pronounce as okay, are pronounced as okay? So we pronounce those ones correctly. Where the problem is in a word that contains U between two consonants that Nigerians pronounce as okay? The right pronunciation is usually okay? Like I said, cat, heart, hungry, etc. Okay, so that's the first thing you need to know about how to identify the sound okay. Now let's see a question on this from the past questions. Okay, but first, before we go ahead, let's read an excerpt from my book Oral English Guide, okay, for Senior Certificate Examinations. Now let's see what the book has to say about this sound before we go ahead. Okay,
the R sound. This sound is pronounced with the tongue at the center of the alveolar, and while pronouncing it, the jaw drops. The R sound is seen where you have U, O, O, OES, OU. It is found in words that contain U that many English learners, especially those of African origin, pronounce as O or as A. Examples are cat, hungry, struggle, etc. It can also be found in words that contain OO that many English learners, especially Nigerians, pronounce O. Examples include blood, flood. It can also be found in monosyllabic words and in the root words of disyllabic words and polysyllabic words that contain OU between two consonants, except the word cough. Examples include tough, double, rough, cousin. Please note that it is not found in every word that has U between two consonants. It only occurs where you have U that English learners, especially of African origin, pronounce as O or as A, which is why the U input remains U and not A, because ordinarily English learners pronounce it as U and never as O or as A. Other words that contain the R vowel sound are does, some, come, love, brother, some, over, worry, Monday, honey, sun, turn, money, etc. Now, these words contain the R sound in letter O in them, okay? Now, we have a test here. Choose the word that has the same sound as the letter underlined. We have cut, okay? Now, you already know that the U in cut should be pronounced R, so it has R. Now, option A, we have butcher. B, we have touch. C, we have pouch. And D, we have pool. Now, which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option B, touch, okay? Now, option C is not correct, okay, because and the OE in pouch is not ordinarily pronounced as or by English learners, especially Nigerians. We always pronounce it as pouch and not as pouch. So that's why the correct answer is option B, touch, okay? Touch, not the pull.
Alright, now let's answer some questions from the past questions, okay? JAMB past questions. Now the first one I have here is from 2012, okay? We have question 86, okay? Bubble, bubble, okay? Now the U is between two consonants, right? Just like the word hungry, okay? The U is between two consonants. So the U will be pronounced as okay? That's what we just read from the book. So the U will be pronounced okay? It has this sound, So let's look at the options and choose the correct one. We have option A, guy, okay, which is incorrect. Option B, we have bull, okay, which is incorrect, okay. So I've already explained it that the U, when you have U between two consonants that Nigerians pronounce as U, the direct pronunciation is U and not okay. Normally Nigerians do not pronounce this word as ball, okay. We pronounce it as bull. So the U is pronounced as U. Short okay, and not so it's not correct. Option C, we have bumper, okay. Now first pronounce it as a Nigerian. This car is fending the other car, bumper to bumper or bumper to fender, okay. Now ordinarily we pronounce this U, the U in bumper as O, okay. You say bumper, bumper to bumper, okay. Now the right pronunciation is bumper, bumper, so that's the correct answer. The U in bumper contains the same sound as the U in babu, okay. So option C is correct. Option C is correct. Now let's another one. Okay, this one is from JAMB 2010. Okay, 2010 past questions. We have question 87, country, okay, country. Now according to our English guide, when we have OU between two consonants, we should pronounce it as okay. So this word is not pronounced country, it's pronounced country, okay. When we have OU between two consonants, except in the word cough, okay, except in the word cough. Now, this word contains OU. Country contains OU between two consonants, and it's not the word cough, okay? So, cough, despite having OU between two consonants, is not pronounced cough, okay? It doesn't contain R sound. It's pronounced O, so it's pronounced cough, okay? According to Oral English Guide for Senior Secondary Certificate Examinations, we should pronounce the OU as R, okay? So, country is pronounced R. It contains R sound in the letters O, U, okay? O and U, country. So let's look at the options and choose the correct answer, okay? Now you have option A, worry, okay? Worry. Now this word is pronounced worry, okay? Now let's look at the book. Worry is among the words that do not contain OU that have the sound R, okay? Now the O in worry is pronounced R, okay? The O in worry is pronounced okay? Though it doesn't contain OU, neither does it contain U, okay? So the O in worry is pronounced okay? So option A is the correct answer. Country, worry, okay? Option A is the correct answer. Now let's see another one. Let's see another one from 2004. We have luck, okay? The U in luck is between two consonants, and naturally, as a Nigerian, we pronounce it as oh. Okay, we say luck. You are lucky. You are lucky to have discovered Dema tutorials. Okay, so luck is how you pronounce it. It contains two between two consonants, but the right pronunciation is luck. Okay, luck. It contains the U between and the two consonants. Ank is pronounced so it's pronounced luck. Okay. Now let's look at the options. We have option A, luck. Option B, turn. Not correct. Option C, luck. Not correct. Option D, brother. Brother. Okay. Now brother is among the words that contain O, just a single O. Okay. That are pronounced okay. You should really get our English guide for senior secondary certificate examinations. It will really help you if you are preparing for WASSCE, if you are preparing for JAMB. Everything you need to help you perform excellently is contained in our English guide for senior secondary certificate examinations. You should really get it, okay? Now let's see. Let's see if we can find another one. So that's just it. That's all. Just get the book, read it, everything you need. Everything you need to learn about this sound and other sounds, consonants, consonant sounds, vowel sounds, stress pattern, emphatic stress, rhymes. Everything you need to pass our English exams is contained in the book, okay? The book provides practical tips that will help you in selecting right answers in your exams, because the whole essence of the book is to help you perform excellently on oral English tests, okay? Any exams on oral English, that's the whole essence of the book. So make sure you get it. Honestly, make sure you get it. And now, before I end this video, if you are sitting for JAMB UTME in 2025, okay, last year we had a WhatsApp class, and our students did great, okay? We had students who scored 345. Many of our students scored above 300, okay? So if you want to be among those who are going to score above 300 this year, make sure you join my online class, okay? Make sure you join my online class, live online class. My online class is not pre-recorded, okay? It's a live class where you get to ask questions and receive answers immediately, and also learn from questions that might be asked by other students, by your peers, okay, that are in the class. So it's important to join this live online class. When I say it's live, like it's not pre-recorded. It's like having a classroom experience, okay? Having a classroom, just a virtual classroom where you interact with the teacher, okay, live. You ask the teacher questions and the teacher will supply answers immediately, okay? Use the number on the screen to send me a WhatsApp message if you want to join us. The fee is just 1,000 naira for each subject, okay? You can register as many subjects as you want. If you don't have up to 4,000 naira, okay, you can register for only use of English or mathematics or chemistry, any subject you want, any subject you can afford to pay for, okay, you can register for it. So the fee for each subject is 1,000 naira, okay? Use the number on the screen to send me a WhatsApp message if you want to join us, okay? We're starting in November 2024, okay? Thank you very much for watching. I will see you guys again very soon. Bye bye.